G'day guys, got Lal here. It's time for another shave. So for today, we're going to be using Urbane Shave Co, the 13th Man, made by Purely Skinful Handmade Essentials. This product and the company that it's made for are no longer in business. I will put up the ingredients for you guys later. And the scent notes, I'm going to use the matching aftershave balm. Oops, dropped it in there. My FB brush with a 28mm 2-bed knot. Thirsty Badger lather bowl, and we will be using, once again, the Weck. It's got a fresh Kismet blade in it. We'll give it a shot. I got about 48 hours worth of growth. Let's get this going. So hope you're doing well. We've had a long weekend up here in Canada. If you're not one of my Canadian viewers, Labor Day, I think it's in the States too, I'm not 100% sure. Apologize if I'm wrong, guys, I should look that up. But it's been nice, been celebrating my daughter, or my niece's 9th birthday. A couple get-togethers. Just, you know, between me and my sister-in-law and her family. It's really nice. Watching some sports. Watching mainly the Canadian Football League, CFL, which is what I watch a lot. Honestly, it's the only reason I even have TV in my house anymore. Unfortunately, my team lost this weekend, the Saskatchewan Roughriders. They were undefeated. And every day, we call it the Labor Day long weekend game. They faced the arch rivals, Winnipeg Blue Bombers. We were undefeated. They were, I only lost one game. They were the better team this weekend. Way better. Our offense just did not show up. It was sad. First time in a long time I've seen our team not even get a major. It just could not do anything. So, but that leads to the soap. This soap is actually kind of made for the Saskatchewan Roughriders as a fan base. The 13th Man is what they call the fans. We're very, very loud, very crazy and vocal, very dedicated in that stadium in general, everywhere. You know, I know people that come from 2-3 provinces over for home games sometimes. So we could be a little fanatics. And we, you'll see guys in full paint, masks, guys wearing watermelons on their heads that are cut out, called melon heads. And that's where the scents from this soap come from. So the primary scent notes are watermelon, lime, and vanilla. It is an homage to the fan base, and they used the 13th Man watermelon head guys for that. It actually got to be such a popular thing, they started selling the foam ones for people who didn't actually want to put a real watermelon on their head. So watermelon, lime, vanilla. To me, it's citrusy. I get the watermelon, probably just be a little lime, and the vanilla nicely in the background. Very, very, it's a lower scent. Nate for BBS Live would probably appreciate the scent level on this. It's probably a 4 at max. Soap is a few years old now, but I don't use it that much. That should be good, guys. Yeah, I'm okay with this. So, it's definitely one if you were still able to get. It wouldn't knock your socks off scent-wise. You can wear it anywhere. It's a good summer, late spring, summer, early fall scent, I would say. Kind of right along the football season for us. Of course, extremely shortened this year because of COVID. Just dropped that brush right back in my lather bowl. But yeah, like I said, it's made by Purely Skinful. This is her beef tallow base, and not available. She used to get for Urbane. Urbane shut down. I'll put the notes up for you and the ingredients so you guys can look at them. So again, we're going to use the Weck today. This is a fresh Kismet blade, and like about 48 hours of the growth. So let's get this going. So the Weck is a hell of a razor. And it will teach you light touch. Where I gotta be careful with the Weck, even after all my years of using straight razors and all this stuff. I'm not a huge shave guy, but I love this thing. Where I have to be very careful is when I get, especially against the grain pass. I don't know why I have a tendency to try to put more pressure up, and this reminds me really quickly not to. Got a few bumps. Yeah, see, I was right. My angle's wrong there. I got a few bumps. I was just about to say on my skin here, so if I take off one of them, you'll see some blood. But if you ever get the chance to get one of these and you like shavettes or you like straight razors, I do highly recommend this. Oh, I went too high there. Son of a... happens. See if you can even that back out. Wow. What's really scary with this Weck, if I was in a super rush, it might be the only blade I have where I can do a quick one pass and just run out. Like it wouldn't be a BBS shave, but I don't think anybody would complain. If I ever done that, hell no. But if I was in a real extreme rush and I slept in or something like that, I could. Yeah, it's gonna be probably a small memory line there when I was bringing that around. I remember I stopped and I said, oh, the Weck just reminded me my angle's wrong. I think I got a small memory line coming there. We'll find out. So, Purely Skinful base works well. This gets the job done. It's a very hard soap. It is a vegetal base, I guess what we'll call it. And it uses soy, I believe it is. Which is unique. I don't see any other soap makers doing that. Linda told me a few years ago why that is and what she uses it for and what it replaces, and I can't remember right now, guys. Yeah, hydrogenated soybean oil is the very first ingredient, then beef tallow. I think it replaces one of the sodiums. Can't remember. But it does a good job. I've heard guys say it's not the easiest to work with. Off the beginning, I had some issues a few years ago. Wex, I told you I had some little raised bump. Wex finding them. Or a straight razor might let me go over top of those, just smooth over top. Yeah, this Wex will just take them off. But once you figure out this soap base, there's that memory line. Knew it, guys. Justin's watching my video, which I know he always does, the Red Island Shaver. Check him out if you guys haven't seen Justin. There's your offering, buddy. But anyways, with this soap base, it's really hard. It's a really, really, really hard base, in my opinion. If you use it and you're having problems, my opinion or my advice to you, which is something I don't recommend a lot, but soak it, bloom it, whatever the hell you want to call it, soak it for a bit, and use it synthetic. I can lather it with any type of knot, but it responds the best for me with synthetics. So let's just rinse this off. Yeah, I definitely caught a few of those bumps in that one memory line, which I screwed up the angle, like I told you guys. A little alum here. Won't stop it. Those are a little too big for this to stop, but it will slow it. Oh well, what do you do? So, it'll be good. Anyways, yeah, if you want to try Purely Skinful, or if you had issues with that's my, oops, big chunk, my recommendation to you guys. Even if you put the piece in the bowl first, like I did. What the hell's going on here? Just as I told you, this is going to be used. Maybe it's at home. Hold on. Fixed. But, the soap does a good job. You know, it's not a super fatted soap like lots of the newer stuff on the market, and I don't even think her newer bases are either. But this just does a good job. Allows you to shave, gives good slickness, good protection. You wouldn't know it by today's shave. It's all, like I said, bumps coming off our technique today, guys. So, but it does well. I don't know if you guys could hear that. It's already extremely close. Like even on against the grain. I could probably skip it, but I won't. And there I have my angle wrong. Damn. So I have yet to have a blood-free first shave with the Weck on a fresh blade. Usually by the second I'm okay. So, well, I screwed up. What do you guys do, right? So just shave and enjoy it. Sorry, I'm just a little frustrated. But what do you do? What is reminding me to respect it? Such a close shave. Okay. Well, as you guys can see, some blood today, which sucks, but it is what it is. So that's already very close. I'm just gonna do my touch-ups on my nostrils here. I think that's it. And I'll be back for you guys to see the post shave. All right, guys, I'm back. Very, very close shave. Very close. Too close, as you saw in many places. I ended up getting blood today. A lot of places that I normally don't either, but the only place I needed to clean up was there. This is a really, really smooth shave. So for the post shave, I'm going to throw another product in here too in the mix. Maol Grooming Nothing. Band Scented Splash. One of the best splash makers in the market, in my opinion. Excuse me. Stuff just performs. And that is so close, I may not have to shave tomorrow, which would suck. Maybe I'll do a one-pass shave tomorrow. Be a one-pass Lyle instead of one-pass Ben. Coming for you, Ben. I'm going to take your title. No. All right. The Match and Aftershave Balm / lotion. The older formulas of this, like this one should be, were very, very thin. Oh, this is it. Yep. That's way too much already, this stuff. It's witch hazel based. Spreads really easily. Has more punch on the citrus side than the soap did, which is nice. And it leaves my face feeling, both of those leave my face feeling awesome. Absolutely awesome. So right on, just before we do the magic tap for you guys, I just want to remind everybody that September 10th, noon Eastern, 10 a.m. Central my time, the Razor Company, Ariana and Evans, and Justin Gray, my Island Shaver, are dropping Never Alone at the Razor Company. 100% of profits are going, 100% of the sale, I should say, not profits, is going to charity for suicide prevention, mental health, that kind of stuff. Make sure you get yours, but allow me to get mine. Okay, right on, everybody. Let's do the magic cap for you. And you saw me use Urbane Shave Co, the 13th Man. Homage to the Saskatchewan Rough Riders, or the CFL up here, my football team. Also using this because of Fragrance Week. Actually, not Fragrance Week, sorry. Sports Week, I think it was. For BBS Live Melly Mel's Theme of the Week. Fragrance Week was last week. You saw me use Maol Grooming Nothing. The FB Turn de Bois handle, the 28mm 2-bed ApShave Co knot, Thirsty Badger lather bowl. Then the Venable Weck with a fresh Kismet shave one on this blade. Sharp as sharp can be. And it reminded me today to give it a little more respect. Took some bumps off, but it gave me a hairline, weeper there, and a couple others. So still a good shave. Take it over a cart any day. Take care, everyone. Hope you had a great weekend. I'm going to jet. I'm going to go check out my paddleboard. Take care. Cheers.